Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to biology session. So, today our learning outcomes will be about the definition of solution, what is solution, how it is prepared, what are the types of solutions, what is saturated solution, how it is prepared, what is concentrated solution, what is the difference between concentrated solution and dilute solution? At the end of the class, I'm sure that you will be knowing all these answers and all the doubts will be cleared. And let's start with the solution. Solution is nothing but, children, it is a homogeneous mixture. It is a combination of solute and solvent. Solute and solvent together become solution. But what is solute and what is solvent? So the component of the in the component of a solution, solute always will be in small quantity and solvent always will be in more quantity. Yes. So how to prepare a solution? So when you take a beaker of water and put salt or sugar, your wish, and mix it well, this will become a solution. Here, water is acting as a solvent and sugar is acting as a solute. In this way, you can prepare a solution. Coming to the types of solution, there are three types of solutions: saturated solution, unsaturated solution, and supersaturated solution. What is saturated solution? So, a saturated solution holds maximum amount of solute in a solution. That means when you take a glass of water, when you put a solute sugar or salt, anything, whatever, when you mix it, it will mix well. But put more sugar in it, then you can see some crystals of sugar at the end that could not mix up with the solvent. That means it has reached highest point. And you have seen this when you are preparing lemon juice. When you put little sugar, you can mix it easily. When you put little more sugar, all the sugar crystals will be at the bottom of a glass. So this is saturated solution. And you know water is a universal solvent? Yes. Coming to the unsaturated solution will have less amount of solutes. Last one, supersaturated solution. It has too much quantity of solute. That is known as supersaturated solution. See here. How would you describe this picture? And supersaturated solution always will become concentrated. So when you observe two teacups here with tea bags, so which is more concentrated? The dark colored tea will be more concentrated. That means more solute is added to that solvent. Is one glass of tea stronger than the other? Of course, because it is more concentrated, it is more stronger. So, concentration is nothing but a ratio comparing the amount of solute to the amount of solution. So, children, what is the difference between concentrated and dilute? So, the dark tea is more concentrated than the light tea, and the light tea is more dilute than the darker tea. So darker tea will become concentrated and lighter tea will become dilute. Dilute is nothing but less solutes. So concentrated solution can be changed into dilute by adding more solvent, whereas dilute can become concentrated by adding solute. For example, when you are applying shampoo to your hair, direct shampoo you will not apply because it's harmful, because it contains more chemicals. So that is known as a concentrated one. How you will dilute the concentrated one? You will add solvent. Here we will take water as a solvent. Mix the shampoo with the solvent, then you apply. Then that shampoo will become dilute. In this way, you can prepare concentrated to dilute and dilute to concentrated. So children, here I am showing the picture of dilute and concentrated. See, dilute will be of less solute, whereas concentrated will be of more solute. I am giving few bottles here. You have to arrange it according to the dilute solution to concentrated. How it becomes more concentrated? By adding solute. By the change of color, you can arrange it. So it is A, B, C, D and E. So when we arrange, the order will be B, A, C and D. See, from light color to darker color, that means we are adding solute. When we are adding solute to the solution, more solute, it will become super saturated, more concentrated. That means clear? Yes. So I hope you understood the class. So we have discussed what is solution, what are the types of solution, what is saturated, unsaturated, supersaturated, concentrated, dilute, these all solutions. And I hope you understood the difference between concentrated solution and dilute solution. So it's time for class task, children. So today's task is define what is solution. Second question, how a solution can be prepared. Third question, what are the types of solutions? Fourth question, how to prepare unsaturated solution. Fifth question, what is the difference between concentrated solution and dilute solution? Hope you complete this task. Thank you.